Hello stalkers, very good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. Market is still open. This green candle is yesterday's candle and we are still yet to close today's candle. For now, we are seeing a dodgy candle. Market is struggling to bounce from this zone. We are not seeing any buying pressure here. If I move down to lower time frames, say for example 1 hour, we can see market is trying to lift up from this level, that is 3315 area, but here is the resistance 3340, as I had mentioned in my previous video. Today's closing will be very crucial. Hopefully it can close somewhere near 3340. Tomorrow is weekend, so possibly market can break this resistance and maybe by next week we can retest 3375 or possibly go even higher. For now, market is a bit slow, not much of trades happening in the market, very low volumes. If we look at the stocks of Dubai Financial Market first, Emirates NBD is still very slow. As per the analysis, we can see it's just going sideways. There is no bullish momentum here. Support is at 12.75, resistance is 13.25. So it's very important to cross this zone. As we know, Emirates NBD Bank is a heavy weighted stock on the index. So when this stock moves, index also moves along with it. We can see 13.25 is a hurdle for now. Today market tried to cross but it got rejected. Let's see the closing. Let's move on to another stock. DIB is also for now into the zone. We can see it came down, took a bounce, and as of now we are seeing a chart pattern. If it breaks to the upside, we can see again a high of 6.20 most likely. Then let's talk about Emaar. Emaar Properties is also very slow today. We can see yesterday's candle was dodgy. It means indecisive. But today it opened with a gap up indicating buyers are a bit aggressive. For now, we are seeing it's forming green candle. Market is still open. Say around 1 hour 50 minutes remaining. If we can close somewhere above 5.75, this will be a good signal for us that buyers are now supporting this zone. But still, the trend, or you can say selling pressure, continues to the downside. We can see the peak was right here at 5.60 and from here market is under pressure. Emaar will only be bullish once it crosses 6.00. For now, yes, you can say this is an early bird entry with a small stop loss. First target should be 6.00 and then you can target the gap that is yet to be filled, that is 6.20. And then let's talk about Salik. New entry in Dubai Financial Market. Again, this stock is very good, but it's going sideways for now. In my previous analysis, I had mentioned let's wait for a green candle right into the support zone. So far, we are not seeing any kind of bullish setup, so let's stay away from it. Support is at 2.20. As of now, it's at a minor support area, that is 2.23. This stock will be bullish once it crosses 2.29. Then we have Diva. Even after the announcement of dividends, Diva is not moving. I think dividend will be paid on 19th of October. So far, we saw previously it tried to cross 2.60 but a failure, and then it's still struggling, almost all red candles. Support is at 2.50. This stock is again within a range, and most of the time this stock has been just going sideways. We want to see a stock that is trending. Anyways, let's check out some other stock. DR, after the news today, it's positive, green candle. This chart formation looks positive to me. Right at the bottom, we are seeing a diamond kind of pattern. If this breaks out, more upside momentum is expected. 4.90 can be seen. But for that, we want to see a solid green candle above 0.470. So most of the stocks in DFM are ready for a breakout. We just need some bull power. Let's see how Abu Dhabi market is doing. But before that, let's have a quick break. ADX index, this is the daily chart. We can see it's not holding any support zones. Previously, as I mentioned, 9,900 was resistance, and from here we are seeing all rejection candles. As expected, a red candle after this, and then it broke the support as well. See how market shows us. This is an important support, that is 9,800. Market broke this support with a huge red candle, and for now it's forming small candles right near the support zone. Between 9,700 and 9,730, this zone is support. We want to see a good bounce from this zone. A green candle will confirm buyers are activated, but for now, index is under pressure. Also, this chart pattern is looking a bit scary. Potentially, this can be a head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and now is forming a right shoulder. It's very important. It has to break this zone, that is 9,800 to 9,840, in order to invalidate this chart pattern. For now, ADX index is also under pressure. Then let's talk about some interesting stocks in ADX. Multiply is one of the favorite. Let's discuss this in detail. We can see previously right at this zone I had given a heads up to buy. We saw a pole and a flag pattern. It bounced up. 3.40 is resistance. It tried once, twice. Now in order for this stock to remain bullish, it have to cross above 3.40. We want to see a closing candle above 3.40. But in case if it breaks this support, that is between 2.95 and 30, then we can call it a bearish chart pattern, that is double tops. I hope that does not happen and we see upside momentum. Then we have Q holdings, that is also very slow. We can see as of now it's in a chart formation. Most likely it can take a support somewhere around this area, that is 3.70, and then if we see any bullish momentum here, this is good for a buy. So this stock can be stocked till the time it reaches in this zone. Then Buruj is also very slow, nothing about it. Let's talk about M Steel. It's been struggling as well. Yes, we are seeing positive momentum to the upside, but for now 1.35 is a tough nut to crack. It tried so many times but it's not able to cross. This stock will be bullish again once we see a solid candle close above 1.35. Yes, overall this stock is good, should be kept in a stocking mode. Then let's talk about Burjeel, one of the very interesting stock in the market, a new entry. I had given a heads up about this Burjeel stock. Let me move down to 15 minutes chart. If you have seen my previous analysis on Burjeel, this trade was very interesting. I had mentioned right at this zone 2.32 was resistance. Market that day opened with a gap up. It came down to retest the same zone, that is 2.31, and from here we are seeing a huge momentum to the upside. Just in case if you have missed that video, I will provide an iCard right at the top so that you can understand how price action works and where is a good entry. For now, it's in a correction phase. If I have to use my fib retracement tool, this is the swing A and this is the swing B. So we are at a very important and crucial support zone, that is 0.618. That is one of the golden Fibonacci ratio. But let's not rush as markets are really volatile. Just let it cross this zone, that is 2.50. When we see a candle close above this, we can confirm. Now again, buying is activated to confirm that big boys have entered the trade. Guys, we should not be the first one to enter the market. We are retail traders. Let the big boys, big fishes enter the trade. When we see confirmation, we enter at that time. Then let's see some other stock. Fertiglobe is making some momentum. If I have to move up to daily chart, after this huge gap down, we can see here it gapped down because of the price adjustment after paying out dividends. Now, it's trying to recover, and as we know, as per the gap theory, this gap is pending, it has to be filled. So it will try to recover slowly and steadily. This will be your first target in case if you are entering at current level, and then slowly and steadily it will fill up this zone as well. But remember, this gap is now a resistance. Let's see some other stock. Invictus is under pressure. We are only seeing a red candles, so nothing interesting about it. Edports made some good move and now it's gearing up for another upside momentum. Very simple and easy chart pattern. Support is at 5.15. This is a neckline of this chart pattern. Once it crosses above it, we can call this bullish, but for now it's struggling to cross 5.60. This should be also in your stocking list. Then we have ADNOC Drilling. This stock is also good, but for now it's under pressure. After a rally to the upside, we saw here from this level, let me highlight, this was a crucial support zone for the market, that is between 3.00 to 3.05. From here we saw a strong momentum to upside, but market could not sustain 3.75, and from here we are seeing it's making lower lows and lower highs. Interesting part is it's spending some time and it's not falling further. This is a good indication that people are holding this zone. So this is support. Once it crosses 3.53, I think we will see another big move to the upside. Let's see some other stock. Then we have Ishraq. This stock is also under pressure. It's surely in a downtrend. There was some news about it, but still could not sustain. For now, it's trading at 0.48. Very negative. Do not rush. I know this stock is very cheap, but do not rush to enter. Let it cross the resistance of 0.53. When we see a candle close above this one, we can say now the resistance is broken, and also we will see a breach of this trend line. For now, it's in a no trading zone. And then let's check out one more stock, Taka. This stock is very bullish, no doubt, but it's under correction phase. We saw a swing high. This was a solid spike to the upside after the news. We saw a small pattern, again a breakout, and now market is trying to hold around 2.50. Good support is at 2.40. If we see any buying pressure here, it should be considered as a buying signal. And my mid to short term target for this stock is 3.00. Guys, if you like my analysis, please support the channel, hit the like button so that I keep posting such videos again and again. For now, thanks for watching. Keep stalking.